Hey guys, do you want to have a crazy time playing with Gonzo, trying to become a millionaire on Monopoly? What the hell am I talking about? Well, I'm talking about live game shows. Hey Internet, it's your old friend Dominic here with AmericanCasinoGuide.com. In this video, we're going to be going over the basic information that you need to know about live game shows. What are they? How do they work? And more importantly, are they safe? But hold on, if you're not a fake fan, I'm going to ask you to do me a big favor and pound that big red subscribe button. So what are live game shows?
Today's lesson is about live show.
In a nutshell, they're games based on popular television game shows, your traditional board games, money wheels, and other established games that are played in real time, but presented by a charismatic host. And there's much more than that. Most games offer a great experience using amazing high-quality graphics, crisp sound design, friendly engaging hosts, and the most incredible thing of all, the chance to land massive prizes using multipliers and extra features. Of course, always keep in mind that unlike skill-based casino games, live game shows always boil down to luck. There's no mathematical strategy to apply here to increase your chances of winning.
It just doesn't work.
When playing a live game show, the only thing you need to do is decide how much you want to wager per round, and then just cross your fingers. One more thing though, just like all the casino games out there, you can access them both on desktop and on mobile, so you can play them anywhere you like. Now, if you're wondering how you could join these games, here's how. All you have to do is choose one of the safe and legal casinos we've recommended, sign up, pick the game you like, and start winning. It's that easy. If you're uncertain as to which online casinos are legal in your state, you can currently play live casino games in New Jersey, Michigan, Delaware, Pennsylvania, and West Virginia. Here you'll be able to find some of the most well-known games like Monopoly Live, Dreamcatcher, Deal or No Deal, and even Lightning Roulette, and many, many more. If you want to find out more about live game shows, make sure to head over to our website, AmericanCasinoGuide.com, where you can find a whopping list of the best game shows on the market. And now for the question you've all been probably wondering this entire time. Are live game shows actually safe? The answer to that is a resounding yeehaw, without any doubt. And here's why. Because like any other casino game, live game shows are safely regulated by the government agencies and the state regulatory committee that you're playing in. They're also designed to work with random number generators, or RNG software, to ensure the outcome is always equally fair to all players. And on top of that, the game providers normally have their games tested by third-party agencies like eCorga to fully authenticate their fairness. These games are like the online version of Fort Knox. They are locked tight. So that's all, folks. You should now have a basic idea of what live game shows are all about. My question now is, will you be checking them out? Let us know in the comment section down below. And make sure to leave us a like and slam that big red subscribe button if you haven't already. This has been American Casino Guide, wishing you luck and reminding you as always, play responsibly.